Hello and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today we will listen to a calm and easy English conversation at the post office. The English is slow, clear, and beginner-friendly. In today's story, Emma wants to send a package and a postcard to her friend. She is not sure about the mailing process, so her friend Jake comes with her to help. Together, they check the address, fill out a form, and talk to the clerk at the counter. Here's today's listening question. How many days will the package take to arrive? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And after the video, write your answer in the comments. Writing in English helps you practice and remember new words better.
Hey, Jake. Thanks for coming with me today.
Of course, no problem.
I need to send this package and this postcard today.
That sounds easy enough.
I hope so. I do not go to the post office very often.
That's okay. It's pretty simple.
Really?
Yeah, first you give them the package.
Okay.
Then they check the weight and the address.
I think my address is correct.
Did you check the zip code?
Yes, I checked it twice.
Nice. Then you're probably fine.
Good. I also need to send this postcard.
That's easy too.
Do I need a form for the postcard?
Maybe not. The clerk will tell you.
Okay.
What's inside the package?
Some cookies and a small book.
That's nice.
My friend moved to another city last month.
Oh, right. This package is for her.
Yeah, I miss her a lot.
I'm sure she'll be happy.
I hope the cookies are still fresh.
I think they will be okay.
I packed everything last night.
Did you use tape?
A lot of tape.
Perfect.
I wrote the address very carefully, too.
Good idea. Clear writing helps a lot.
I always worry about small mistakes.
Everybody makes small mistakes sometimes,
True.
but we can check everything together.
Thanks. That helps.
No problem. We can do it together.
Do I pay before or after they weigh the package?
Usually after.
Okay, that makes sense.
And they will give you a receipt.
Oh, good. I want the receipt.
Yeah, keep it just in case.
I'm glad you know how this works.
Honestly, the workers usually help a lot.
That's nice to hear.
Yeah, just speak slowly and take your time.
Okay, I can do that.
Look, we're almost there.
Oh, I see the post office now.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's check everything one more time.
Good idea.
Do you have the address?
Yes, it's right here on my phone.
Great, let me see it.
Here you go.
The street name looks correct.
What about the zip code?
Let me check again.
I always worry about zip codes.
Yeah, they can be confusing sometimes.
Is it correct?
Yes, everything looks fine.
Good.
Did you write your return address too?
On the back?
Yeah, right here.
Let me check.
I think you forgot the apartment number.
Oh, you're right.
It's okay. You still have time.
Thanks.
Here, use my pen.
Thanks.
Your handwriting is really clear.
I try to write slowly.
That helps a lot at the post office.
Okay. I finished the return address now.
Nice.
Can you check the postcard too?
Sure.
I wrote a short message inside.
That's nice.
I didn't know what to write.
Simple messages are good.
I wrote, I hope you are happy in your new city.
That sounds perfect.
Really?
Yeah, it sounds warm and friendly.
Good.
Did you already put the postcard in the envelope?
Oh, no, I forgot.
It's right here beside your back.
Wow, good thing you saw it.
That would be hard to mail without an envelope.
Seriously.
Do you need tape for the box?
Maybe one more piece?
Here you go.
Thanks.
The box feels pretty light.
Yeah, it's mostly cookies.
Your friend is lucky.
She loves chocolate cookies.
I understand why.
Okay, I think everything is ready now.
Let me check one last time.
Sure.
Package,
Yes.
postcard,
Yes.
address,
Yes.
return address,
Yes.
tape.
Yes.
Perfect.
Thanks for helping me check everything.
No problem.
Okay, I'm ready to go to the counter now.
Great, let's go.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need to send this package and this postcard.
Sure. Where are you sending them?
To Chicago.
Okay. Please place the package on the scale. Right here? Yes, that's perfect. Okay. Let me check the weight.
Sure.
It's not very heavy. That's good. Do you want standard shipping or fast shipping?
Standard shipping, please.
Okay. Standard shipping is cheaper.
That's fine with me.
Can I see the address?
Of course, here you go. Thank you. No problem.
Everything looks clear. Good, I checked it a few times. That always helps. Do I need to fill out a form? Yes, just a small one. Okay, please write your name here.
Right here?
Yes. Okay. Then write your phone number below it.
Got it.
And please write the receiver's address here. Okay, take your time. Thanks. Your handwriting is very neat. Thank you, I try to write clearly. That makes my job easier. Good. Is there anything breakable inside the package? No, just cookies and a small book. Okay, that should be fine. Great. And this postcard goes to the same address? Yes, the same address. Perfect. Do I put the stamp on myself? I can do that for you.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. I don't send mail very often. That's okay. A lot of people don't.
Yeah, I usually send messages online.
Same here, honestly.
But postcards feel more personal.
I agree.
My friend just moved to a new city.
Oh, then I'm sure she'll enjoy getting this.
I hope so.
Okay, you're almost finished with the form. Great! Just one more line here.
Oh, I see it now.
Then we'll be ready to ship everything.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Okay, let me check the form one more time.
Sure.
I think something is missing here.
Really?
Yes,
I thought I finished everything.
you filled out most of it correctly.
Oh, good.
But this section is still empty. Which part? The return address section.
Oh no, I wrote it on the box already.
Yes, I can see it on the box.
So, do I still need to write it here?
Yes, please.
Okay, sorry about that.
No problem at all.
I didn't notice that line. It happens all the time.
Okay, let me write it down. Take your time. Thanks. Do you need another pen?
No, this one is okay.
All right.
Hmm.
Everything okay?
I'm not sure about my zip code now.
Would you like to check it again? Yes, please. You can look at the address on the package.
Oh, right.
Is this your current address?
Yes, it is.
Then the zip code should match this one. Let me compare them. Sure.
Oh, I see the problem now.
What happened? I missed one number. Good catch.
Thanks.
You can fix it right here.
Okay.
Just write the correct number beside it.
Like this?
Yes, that looks perfect.
Great.
Let me check everything again now.
Sure.
Name, correct.
Okay.
Address, correct.
Good.
Zip code, correct now.
Nice.
Return address, also correct. Perfect. Everything looks good now.
That's a relief.
The form can be a little confusing sometimes,
Yeah, a little bit.
but you fixed everything quickly.
Thanks for showing me the problem.
Of course. I'm glad I checked it again. Me too. Now we're ready for the final step.
Great.
Okay, everything is ready now.
Great.
Let me weigh the package one more time.
Sure.
All right.
Is everything okay?
Yes, the weight is fine.
Good.
Standard shipping for this package will be $12.
Okay,
And the postcard stamp is $1.
so $13 total?
That's right.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
No problem.
Do I tap here?
Yes, right there.
Okay.
Perfect. Payment accepted. Gertie, your package will arrive in 3 days.
3 days? That's pretty fast.
Yes, standard shipping is usually quick.
Nice.
And the postcard should arrive around the same time. Perfect. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Should I keep this receipt?
Yes, it has the tracking number on it.
Oh, good.
You can check the delivery status online. That's helpful. Just enter the tracking number on the website. Okay, I can do that. Would you like a small bag for the postcard? No, that's okay. All right, I think that's everything. Let me double check.
Sure.
Package? Sent. Okay. Postcard? Sent to.
Great.
Payment? Complete. Perfect. Receipt? Right there in your hand.
Right.
Looks like you're all set. Awesome. Do you need anything else today? No, that's all. Okay. Thanks for helping me today. Of course, happy to help. You made the process very easy. I'm glad to hear that. I thought it would take much longer. Actually, you were very organized. Thanks. I tried to prepare everything before coming here. That always helps. Well, thank you again. You're very welcome. Have a nice day. You too.
So, how do you feel now?
Honestly, pretty good.
See, that wasn't too hard.
Yeah, it was easier than I expected.
You did everything really well.
Thanks.
First, we checked the address together.
Right, we checked the zip code too.
Yeah, that part was important.
Definitely.
Then you filled out the form at the counter.
And I missed the return address section.
True, but you fixed it quickly.
Yeah, the clerk was really patient.
She was very nice.
I liked how calm she was.
Good workers make things easier.
That's true.
After that, you paid for the shipping.
Right, $13 total.
And your package will arrive in 3 days.
I'm happy about that.
Your friend is going to love the cookies.
I hope so.
What was the most difficult part for you?
Probably the form.
Yeah, forms can be confusing sometimes.
Especially the small sections.
At least you checked everything carefully.
That helped a lot.
And now you know what to do next time.
Exactly.
So next time will feel much easier.
Definitely easier.
Do you think you can do it by yourself now?
Yeah, I think so.
Nice.
I just need to remember a few things.
Like what?
Check the address,
Good.
write the return address,
Very important.
and keep the receipt.
Perfect.
Honestly, the process was pretty simple.
I told you.
Yeah, you were right.
Are you glad you came today?
Definitely.
And now your friend will get a nice surprise.
That makes me really happy.
You should send postcards more often.
Maybe I will.
They feel more personal than text messages.
I agree.
Well, good job today.
Thanks for coming with me.
Anytime.
Next time, coffee's on me.
Deal.
Okay, let's head home.
Sounds good.
Great job listening today. Emma finished sending her package and postcard successfully. At first, she was unsure about the process, but step by step, everything became easier. She checked the address carefully, fixed a small mistake on the form, and completed everything at the post office. Small everyday conversations like this are very useful for real life. And today, you practice listening to slow, natural English in a calm and comfortable way. Now, let's remember today's listening question. How many days will the package take to arrive? If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English and remember the story longer. And if this story helped you relax and practice English, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow and easy English conversations. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more gentle listening stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening with us today. Take care, keep practicing, and we will see you again very soon in English Listening Stories.